Yes. Pleasure.
Kwathi uma iNgonyama ifaka sicelo kulowa kwabangumengameli waseTaiwan Tsai Ing-wen ukuthi live leTaiwan libambise leSwatini ekwakhiweni kwetingungu tekugcina oyili, live leTaiwan lasukumela eTulu. Ngemva kokubambisana lokuhle lokube khona kuqinisekisa kuphumelela kwalomsebenzi, live leSwatini selitawuba nesakhiwo setingungu tekugcina oyili lelitawuphephela kito uma kunetimo letiphuthumako. Lo msebenzi utawufaka sandla ekuthuthukeni komnotho welive nasekutimileni kwalo elihlangothini lwetemandla. Umcimbi wekusukunyiswa kwawo ubusiswe bukhona bendlovukazi Mhlekazi kanti emakhosi bekasingethwe bomake emakhosikazi bogogo balondolozi nebantu abenkosi. iNgonyama ithi noma sewubusisiwe lo msebenzi kusenetingondle kufanele tilandzelwe ungakakhiwa.
We are pleased to note that during the discussions, one of the projects that Taiwan has identified to partner with the kingdom is the strategic oil reserve. Following the identification of this project, we are officially unveiling it today. As we unveil the project, we are cognizant of due processes that still need to be followed before it can get off the ground. This would not be the first big project between the two countries, as others include biotech park, hospital industry, and others. We look forward to many, many more.
Lo msebenzi wangalesithathu kusihlwa lobelithuba lokwatisa abosomabhizinisi baseTaiwan ngemathuba ekusungula amabhizinisi kuleli ungenelwe libandla labosomabhizinisi baseTaiwan labangamashumi 30. iNgonyama ikhuthatela abosomabhizinisi ukuthi bahlanyele umnothweni wakuleli.
This seminar comes at a time that the country has initiated transformation programs to grow the economy and uplift the social well-being of its people. This drive encourages local and international participation, and we hope that Taiwan will be part of this initiative by contributing with investment on the international front. We urge those with interest and expertise in a particular field to make a presentation so that we are able to assist them set up shop in the country. We would be pleased that at the end of this business seminar, some of the business persons will take the decision to invest in Eswatini.
Mvunankulu Mhlontsha Russell Mmiso Dlamini uvete kwenetiseka kwahulumende weNgonyama ngekusukuma kwalo msebenzi.
It is exciting to see the project, which is one amongst many in the government's program of action for 2025 to 2029, being availed. It has been a long time coming. It is also exciting, Your Majesty, to learn of the outcomes of the business seminars and the interactions which have taken place amongst businesses from our two sister countries. On behalf of His Majesty's government, I wish to thank you, Your Majesty, for the leadership and guidance that you have provided to your government to ensure that the business deliberations progress the way they have today.
Indvuna ngephandle eTaiwan Dr. Ling Chia-long ithi lo msebenzi we-Strategic Oil Reserve Facility uta netitselo letinhle kutentuthuko eveni leSwatini. Unike iNgonyama tholuqina ukuthi usetandleni tikampani lenebuciko lobusetulu wathi utawuba sezingeni lelifanele.
Today's project unveiling ceremony represents a major step forward in Eswatini's national development. It also marks a new chapter in bilateral relations between Taiwan and Eswatini. I have full confidence in the experience and ability of the construction team. I believe that Your Majesty will take great pride in the quality of the oil reserve when it is finished. And I have no doubt that this project will bolster Eswatini's energy security, create more employment opportunities, and drive economic growth.
Indvuna itiko letemcebo waphansi nemandla umvane ngosilongokhela ibikele ingonyama kutsi litiko letemcebo waphansi ladise bosomabhizinisi baseTaiwan ngemathuba lasabalele ekubambisa live ehlangothini lwetemandla.
We informed the Taiwanese delegation that there are several other promising avenues for strategic partnerships, particularly in the area of thermal power, biomass energy, solar technologies, and mining.
Ngakulokunye khona esigodlweni ngalozitha ngalesithathu kusihlwa ingonyama evuselwe kumabhalane lomkhulu enhlanganweni i-Organization of African, Caribbean and Pacific States umhlonishwa Musa Batraki. Nabika kwethu indzabeni ngisandile Makhanya naThemba Mamba esigodlweni ngalozitha.